Once again, happy weekends, happy Friday to everyone, nationwide and worldwide. Thank you to all you subscribe me. Thank you to the support. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you, and thank you nationwide and worldwide. I wish that you can continue to support, to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Thank you. I have already 600. Thank you very much. Thank you for the company. What this one? Nice. I don't know for this one. I think this one is for the ano ba yung pang-amoy? Ay, diwan ko kay madam na naman yan. Additional ni madam collection for his work. Okay, thank you again. Thank you. So now it's Friday. So I just let to clean slightly ba. Konti-konting linis lang, walis. Walis lang ako kasi ngayon Friday naman. At saka tomorrow na, Saturday na talaga ang start ko na cleaning until Thursday. Okay, pag Friday, medyo ano lang ako, slight, ayan. Nagwalis lang ako ng balkon sa other side. Sa bukas, magmap ako dyan o depende kung maglagay ako tubig. Okay, so ayan, ganun. Ito, malinis naman. Buhay na naman yung ano. Salamat to, nagkasanga-sanga na siya sa tanim ko. Okay, so mag-share ako. Inom muna ako ng share kasi katatapos ko lang naman katatapos ko lang maglinis sana ako ng dumi. Yung tapon ko na siya kasi wala na. Yung itim na tapos yung bulaklak ko doon. Tingnan ko pa ng maigi kung I try to check if it's still good or no good. Okay, so ayan. Ayan yung share ko. Ayan. Lagi talaga yan non-stop yan. Round, ano yan. All around yan. Kaya thank you again. Thank you for watching. Now, sa bawat countries, magkaiba naman talaga tayo lagi ng time. Ito kakainin ko kasi medyo nagutom na ako. Oh. Tapos kasi pag lunch time kasi it's very heavy ang kain ko talaga na isang ano kaya one plate. Pag lunch time talaga ako ganun todo. Kaya minsan including na yung dinner ko. Sabi ko nga mag-milk lang o kaya mag-juice bago matulog ganun. Depende lang kung I go to the family of Madam and Sir because they prepare talaga also dinner. We go to the restaurant so I must to eat. Kasi nga siyempre sayang naman din yung order. Ang order nila ba, nakishare na lang ako kasi hindi naman lalo na pagsisisi. Hindi naman mauubos. Okay, lalo na pag mga salad-salad kaya ganun ang ginagawa ko na lang. Kaya gaya kagabi. So, yun, same as usual. Kaya ito na lang. Morning, pagdating talaga ng eating time, almost whole the day. I'm just, if I hungry, eat talaga eat. Basta pag start na ng 7 o'clock at night, limit na ako at ayaw kong matulog na full. I don't want to sleep that my stomach is very full. Because I don't like it. It's very heavy. And I have no time na that one to move my stomach. Sabay pang ganun because I am full stomach. Tapos mag-sleep pa. So it's better yung whole the day na you are eating because you are working and you are working. So all your body will be moves. Okay? Even your stomach inside. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. Thank you, and thank you. I'm very thankful talaga kasi nga nandyan kayo. Kahit naman hindi kayo even you are not subscribed me, at least that you are watching to my simple video. Thank you, I'm very thankful talaga. Even you don't like, at least that you are watching. you spend time minutes to watch my videos. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. At saka, I just make a video. I don't want to see my face because para hindi kayo magsasawa. Not always that. Bro, what's not his face like this one, like that one also. Oh, so not all the time naman din. Sometimes. Okay? And once again, I always say once again, thank you talaga. Thank you very much. And keep safe, especially to our health. And love, cares, understand to all your family you have, even me. And even we are far away, but at least you are still in my mind, in my heart, in my prayers. Okay? Even we are not every day really communicate, but at least still in my heart and in my mind. And God knows everything to all of us. Habang nabubuhay, we are still alive here in the world, nationwide and worldwide. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Bye-bye, God bless us all, and happy weekends.